Welcome to the in front of me Oppo A96, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just click here to open the app and click here yes I agree, click close, and on the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here the information about the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 30.1 degrees, and also here we got another information about the battery like the level, health, capacity, and more other info like the Android version and model of our device and other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.